Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are finally trying out the ALO Recovery Mode sneaker. Now this sneaker comes in a bunch of other colors like white with blue, white with pink, white with brown, and this solid white color. You may have noticed that we tried these sneakers on with the real tennis dress a while back, and I actually really liked them. So today we're going to take a closer look so you get all of the details up front and personal. Now I've seen these sneakers in the ALO store and online quite often. Obviously we really love ALO on the Fashion Try-On, so you will see a lot of their products, but I never really considered the sneaker and really never gave them kind of a real chance. Now, what I was told is that the inside, as you're seeing, is quite cushiony, and that's kind of why it's called the recovery sneaker. So it does have kind of some sort of technology to make your feet feel really good after working out or doing some heavy stuff. It just kind of protects them. I will attest that when I tried them on, they felt really protective. Now this, what you're seeing right here, is the size 7.5. I am usually a 7.5 or an 8. But I did notice that in the 7.5 at least, it did feel really heavy. So that is ultimately why I didn't end up taking them home, but I have not stopped thinking about them since. So I did try on the size 7, which I will show you now in the second try on video. And you can actually see the difference in the 7 versus the 7.5, which is wild because I never really wear a 7. And I could definitely feel the difference as well. They felt a little less heavy. They still did feel kind of substantial, but upon first impression, I really did like them. If you have these sneakers and you know how they hold up, or if they do feel heavy, or if you have any impressions at all, please let us know in the comments below and help us build our fashion community intel. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.